Alright, today I'm gonna show you how to replace a broken mirror. So someone hit my car here and damaged my mirror. So the only way to do this is you gotta replace this whole unit. So to do this, you gotta take the door panel out here off first so you can remove the mirror. So come over here. There's this triangle thing here. You can take a pry tool and just break this part off. The triangle thing will come off, and then there are three 10mm bolts here that you need a socket to open. But because there is a connection that you need to get to behind the panel, so to take the panel off, you take a right here. There's a little flap right down here. You take a little flat screwdriver. Open this thing, and you get this clip to push this down to open this up. There's these two screws. So remove these two screws. One. Two. And then to remove the panel here, take a pry tool and you lift this up and snap. And then over here, you just lift up over here. Okay, lift up here. And then over here, there's right here, this little clip. You pause now. Alright, to release here, there's a flap. You push down on this flap here, and you pull the little trigger here to release. There you go. That's one, and this one. There's a tab here, you push it in and you release that. Okay, this is the release that. Okay, you can pause. You take a pry tool and release the clips from the bottom of the door here. Okay, release your clips. So it looks like there's one more screw over here. bolts off. You know, dirty here. And then this should just pull out. There you go, the panel comes off. And the switch for the mirrors right here. So what we can do is we'll get the flathead to release the clip. So the door can hang. Just put your screwdriver here and then pull this out. So now this is out. We need to remove. There you go, remove that clip. And then we take out this. And it looks like it's gonna tie to that. Let me see. Release the clip, release this here to release the strap. Okay, we put the strap. Let's put this back here. I think it goes this way, back here. Okay, so now we're gonna take our bolt, remove the bolt. Lose your bolt. There's the second one. I almost dropped it again. And then there's the last one right here. So put your hand here and take it. That's up. Now you can look at this out. Come over here. There you go. There's the whole mirror. Okay, you can pause now. Alright, over here. So this is the new one. That's the old one. So let's take out and compare. So it looks like they have the same wires. There's green, yellow, and gray. So it's matched orientation. It looks like it's similar. Okay, so this is the mirror, has the foam that came with it. So we'll take this out. That's the packaging. Okay, let's bring it over to the car. Okay, so here's the mirror. We're gonna put the mirror through here. Line these 3 bolts, the hose on the mirror here in the car. Actually, came with these protective things. You gotta take these out too. So take that out. All right, let's try again. Put the wire through the hole here, and then line the bolt to the hose. So you don't drop it. There you go. See the lines? It looks like it fits nicely. So you hold that, you put the bolts in over here, come over here. You got the 3 bolts. Okay, I'm gonna tighten the bolts, 10mm bolts. Okay, tight. Now I'm gonna put the strap back in here. You see the strap there? This was tight, hose in place, and then we put the socket back on. So like this, the wire facing down. Push it in, she snap. There you go, snaps in place. And then we just put the car back in. So the car here has these green tabs. These green tabs go into these holes here. Just with the car, we can snap the car back in. So you need to line it back up again. Those. Make sure before you do that, this hangs on the lip here. So make sure the body hangs on the inside. Okay, see, so it hangs. Now we should do the set. Okay, goes back in, and we need to, there's this one screw over here, put the screw back over here. Put the window roller back in. So there's a clip here and a clip here. So this big one over here. Snap. And then this one, the white one, over here. Snap. And then we put this. This part on the left hand side goes in first. Down here, see the gap there, put in there. And then this push it in. Snap it back in. There you go. And then we put the two screws back here. But before we do that, let's turn the car on and make sure that the mirror works. Okay, get the mirror car on and see if it works. See, oh, it does work. Up, down, and move. So we can tell that the mirror is working, is communicating. Put the screw back on. Put this triangle piece back on. That's it. We're gonna put the screws back on. Okay, now put this piece, lift the flap and push it back in. There you go, that. And then this piece goes back in the car over here, like this. There you go. There you go. That's done. Took less than 30 minutes to do your own fix it. Save yourself some money. This is how you do it. Uncle John out.